Good morning, students. Today I'll discuss paragraph based question which is on the CBSE pattern. So, see the paragraph of the chapter Magnetic Effect of Electric Current. So, students, first of all, I have written over here question based on CBSE patterns, and the paragraph is: different magnetic field patterns are produced by current carrying conductor having different shapes. The magnetic field around straight wire are concentric circles whose center lie on the wire. It has been shown by experiments that the magnitude of magnetic field produced by straight wire at a given point is: number 1, directly proportional to the current. Number 2, inversely proportional to the distance of that point from the wire. That point, that means you have taken a wire, and from any point if you are considering the magnetic field, then as you go far from this point, the magnetic field lines goes on decreasing. The magnetic field lines are circular near the current carrying circular loop. As we move away from the concentric circle representing magnetic field lines become bigger and bigger, and at the center magnetic field lines are straight. If you are taking a circular wire, we also have discussed, if we are taking a circular wire, positive, negative, magnetic field lines are concentric circle, but as you go in between it becomes straight, and like this it is produced. So based on this paragraph, I hope students you have understood the paragraph. First 3 lines says that whenever the current carrying conductor is there, magnetic field line is produced around it. Again, that 3 lines says that whenever the wire is straight, the magnetic field is produced in the form of concentric circles. Again, the next point says that if it is in the form of circular wire, the magnetic field line is produced circular around this circular wire, and in between this, like it is going, so it is straight. So based on this, let us see the questions. Question number 1. The direction of magnetic field developed around current carrying conductor can be easily found by. So if it is a straight wire and current carrying conductor, so it is found by which rule? Right hand thumb rule. So answer will be right hand thumb rule, because by this rule only we are able to find out the directions. See the next question. The diagram, this is the diagram given below, represent magnetic field line caused by current carrying conductor, which is, by seeing the diagram only you are understanding that in between it goes straight line. That means this is the magnetic field line represented by circular wire. So this is circular wire. If you draw this of the circular wire, then you will got the magnetic field line of this one is like this, a concentric circle, and in between it will go just straight. In between it will go straight. Next question, the strength of magnetic field due to straight conductor depends upon First, here option is given. Nature of the conductor? No. Because strength depends upon number B, current passing through the wire. C is direction of current? No. Direction of current is only responsible for finding the direction of magnetic field. All the above? No. So number B is right. The strength, next question, the strength of magnetic field lines inside a long current carrying straight solenoid is. If you take a straight solenoid and it is long, then the strength of magnetic field line inside it is, answer will be same at all points. Same at all points. Because inside it goes straight in the solenoid, it is uniform magnetic field lines, so it is same at all points. See the next question. And the last question, which of the following correctly describes the magnetic field near a long straight wire? So from this four we have to see which one is correctly describing the magnetic field. So first one, let us check it. The field consists of straight line perpendicular to the wire. If it is a wire, straight wire, the field consists of straight line perpendicular. No, it is wrong. So first of is wrong. Second one, the field consists of straight line parallel to the wire. No, if it is a current carrying conductor and field is parallel. No, it is also wrong. The field consists of concentric circle centered on the wire. Yes, if it is a straight wire and this is, suppose at one point it is centered, so field produced at this point is like this. If suppose one point centered, so center lie on the wire. So this third one is the correct answer. Fourth, let us check it. The field consists of radial line originating from the wire. No field is originating from the wire. A radial line, no field is originating. So third one is right. So like this the question will come. So practice it. Okay.